What up, people? It's your boy Alex Hustle coming back at you again with another video. So yeah, today's is gonna be a special video. I decided to buy something that I thought was necessary in my investment into YouTube. So I decided I was gonna buy well, you can see it right here. I have a box. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that box up. Show you guys what's going to be inside. Yeah, so this is what I bought. I bought a new stand. Here's the manual that comes with it. I think this is the major key and a total game changer in me getting serious about YouTube. So, yeah, it comes with the actual ring light itself. I'm going to open that up in a second. So here's the ring light and its packaging. Alrighty. Comes with a tripod, which apparently this is like one of the best tripods you could buy for this type of thing. Oh, look, it's already standing up already. Wow, that's real good. I heard a lot of these tripods don't really stand up that well. I got it basically because I'm sick of using my computer webcam. It's just like really, really hard to. Camera quality is not that good, and the camera quality on the iPhone is just 10 times better. What's these things? I guess these are a little more screws. Basically what you do is hook your phone up to it, and you pretty much have it all set. So I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna assemble this thing, and I will get back to you guys when it's all set. Thanks so much. All the way down. It's about 10 inches tall, so it's pretty cool. It's like actually just a little bit taller than me. So this is basically the stand model. I will probably most likely not be using this. Maybe except for an interview, perhaps. This is the only time I probably will pull this out. Instead, I'm gonna be using instead, I will be using the table model, which is right here. Excuse the mess in my home office, but yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna be using this thing. It's probably just better. Yeah. So here it is. Yeah, so this is my new setup. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's great. I think I'm going to be able to produce a lot more higher quality videos with this. I'm probably going to upgrade my phone soon because my ex I dropped it a while ago and it's been acting really funny. So I'm probably going to get a new iPhone. And I'm also thinking about investing in a MacBook just so I can have be able to use iMovies on a computer as opposed to having to edit off my phone, which is super extraneous and time consuming. I think by having a bigger screen I'll be a lot more comfortable. So yeah, I just want you guys to show you what I'm working with. That's about it. Thank you so much. Alex out.